Hello everyone, this is Dr. Shiva Pathak here with you to see an important topic in physics, Fermi level. It is required a great attention to understand the concept of Fermi level in semiconducting material, either it is pure semiconducting material or impure semiconductor material. One line first of all, understand this Fermi level is a characteristic property of the material, any material, semiconducting material. Fermi level is found in semiconducting material and it is the characteristic property. How it is characteristic property? See very carefully. This is a definition. This definition we will see in the last. See here. First of all, we are going to see for intrinsic semiconductor. We are knowing intrinsic semiconductors are pure semiconductor. The example of this is germanium or silicon. Two pure metal semiconducting materials are available. When we see on the views of band theory, the semiconducting material, their outermost energy level is divided into two parts, that is the valence band and the conduction band. And conductivity of intrinsic semiconductor or any type of a semiconductor depends upon number of charge carrier electrons found in conduction band and the number of holes found in lower band, that is the valence band. So see carefully, in case of pure semiconductor, we know that the forbidden energy gap here in case of semiconducting material, it is lies in order of 0.7 electron volt to 1.1 electron volt, begins from silicon to germanium here in this case. It's clear? So because of this very small, this is a forbidden energy gap, band gap between both. Forbidden energy gap is also called band gap. Here see at a room temperature. See very important point. Room temperature. What happen at this room temperature? At this room temperature, this electrons lies in the valence band. Due to thermal agitation, some of the electron transfer from lower bands to higher band, produces a gap. Same like this. Here 6 holes are represented. It means 6 electrons transferred. When this first level cover starts from second level in less number, this transmission in the second level decreases. Here in this. So electrons found in upper band, conduction band, and absence of that band is called holes. So holes, these are called holes, and upper band we know called electrons. These electrons are free electrons. This both combinedly conduct electricity in semiconductor. It is clear to everyone. And we also know that in pure semiconductor, number of electrons in upper band is equal to number of holes in lower band. This is exactly equal, because this holes created in valence band due to the migration of valence electron to conduction band. Clear? In that condition, what will be the Fermi level of intrinsic semiconductor? My main point is this. So to find out the Fermi level here in this case, see very carefully here in this diagram, hole as a whole. Fermi level is the center of gravity line, lies between valence here holes and electrons charge. This is so since both are equal, so Fermi level lies exactly in between conduction band and valence band. This Fermi level is represented, Fermi energy is by this. Here it is called energy level of valence band EV and it is EC, energy level of a conduction band. It's clear? So Fermi energy level found just be is lies at midpoint of EV and EC. See, EV is this from here to here and EC is this. It is. So here Fermi energy level is found just at midpoint of EV and EC. Now we are going to see the Fermi level for the extrinsic semiconductor. We know extrinsic semiconductors are impure semiconductor, in which impurity is doped. We know it is a two type, negative type, N type and P type, right? First of all, we are going for the Fermi level of N type. N type semiconductors are also called donor impurity, in which pentavalent doped in tetravalent, we know, right? And we have seen just in this. So band diagram is here given for N type. Lower band, that is a valence band. This energy level EV is here, and conduction band, upper band EC is there. So this point is called EV and it is EC. Where will be the Fermi level position here in this case? In N-type semiconductor, we know majority charge carrier MCC is electron. Minority charge carriers, holes, we know. So see how the charges distribution on this. See how these holes are in Y. Holes are minority charge carrier and electrons are majority charge carrier. See the configuration very carefully. Here in this valence electron, though some holes is created at room temperature. This phenomena is where? At room temperature. At this room temperature, few of the electron migrated from lower band to higher band. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 electron holes. I am here explaining here in a lower band. So this 9 electron, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is went in the upper band due, and now due to the impurity, mixing impurity of pentavalent in this, extra electron created as a majority charge carriers due to doping of that. So very much, so majority charge carrier becomes electron and minority charge carrier becomes electron. So gravity of Fermi level shifted upward. See the position of Fermi level here by the black dotted line. This is Fermi energy level. So Fermi level energy in N-type semiconductor for the donor impurity is just below the conduction band. See very carefully, just below conduction band it is found, because center of gravity now shifted towards AB. In previous case, in pure semiconductor, it was just at midpoint, but due to the majority and minority charge carriers appears, it shifted upward and just below the conduction band. See, this point is very carefully. Now we will see for the second one, P-type semiconductor. In p-type semiconductor, the Fermi level we are going to watch, it is called acceptor impurity. Here in this acceptor impurity, how we doped? We doped trivalent impurity doped into tetravalent. What is a tetravalent? Germanium and silicon to increase the conductivity. See how it is done. How this Fermi level done on doing it. So we are knowing this point is called energy. This is energy level diagram of band in electron volt. This is called EC. It is represented EC here also from down to here. It is called EV. Here this is EV, sorry, and it is EC. EV. See the conduction band. Clear? Now see very carefully the charge distribution in p-type semiconductor. So to understand the concept of it, see here carefully how this is. Due to at room temperature, the whole phenomena we are watching at room temperature. Clear? At room temperature, few of the valence electrons shifted from valence band to conduction band created here holes. Right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So 9 electron is created due to the migration of this valence electron into conduction band due to small band gap at room temperature. Clear it is? But due to the impurity, trivalent impurities such as aluminum and other trivalent atom doped in semiconducting material, germanium and silicon, holes are accumulated here in it. So when it goes down, it slightly decreases. See its occupation, probability of occupation at lower energy level decreases in this, but majority charge carrier becomes holes. Charge carriers are holes, and see here, let's see some more energy level here. So the probability of occupation moving above this decreases. See in all the diagram everywhere. Here below probability of occupation decreases, here above in upper band decreases. So maximum probability to occupation here the uppermost in the valence level, moving below decreases, but here maximum probability of occupation of electrons, free electrons in conduction band is a maximum at lower energy level and decreases moving away from this probability of occupation. But see about the Fermi level here in this case. If maximum holes are gathered here, so center of gravity here shifted. Where shifted? Below it. This Fermi energy level. This Fermi level, Fermi Fe, Fc not Fe, Fermi energy level is just above. See the word, just above to valence band. And here in this case, just below the conduction band. In pure semiconductor, where it is lies, exactly at midpoint. So this is all about Fermi level found in case of semiconducting material. I hope enjoyed well. Thank you and have a nice day to all.